so much for stopping by our channel. Here, we share the cutest and funniest dog moments. Enjoy the video and relax with us.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
Naughty frickin' girl. What did you do?
Hey!
Gigi, how do you feel about what's happening with the world right now? Okay, love it.
Sorry about this.
You go through, mate.
Oh god.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
What action in the video do you find the funniest? Comment the timestamp.
Oh my god! Oh god!
What happened?
Got in the water?
Oh no!
Hi, how are you? Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh.
Oh shit, OG. Oh shit.
Who's that big boy?
Crazy dog, come here.
Lorna.
What the? You just didn't learn. Clearly the trash can didn't work.
I wonder who could be the culprit. Do you know who did this, Pep?
Franklin, are you okay, buddy? Are you okay?
Hey, whoa, what I got going on over here?
Nonsense. What did you do?
You boys like peanut butter?
She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what?
Yeah, bust a move. Bust a move. Bust a move.
What are you doing?
Pancakes. What are you doing?
Pickle.
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh? Get the fuck out of here.
Who did this? Did you do it?